40 years professional experience from 1971 to 2012 creates the first European central air conditioner brand. There are 6 factories worldwide, 40 comprehensive sales offices and service centers in the country, and the sales performance of the group has topped 1.8 billion euro, devoted to the R&D of the most advanced technology in the world and supplying integrated solution for users. We are world-famous Klimaveneta Group, contributing on harmoniously balance the architectural inner space and external natural environment for 40 years. Established in 1971, Klimaveneta entered China in the 1980s as the first European central air conditioner brand. In 2004, a new group, Chad Union Klimaveneta Group, was built by incorporation with Chad Union Group to serve for Chinese market and create more improved service platform for Chinese users with integrated, more powerful technology and capital advantage. Klimaveneta Shanghai factory was established and put into operation in 2005, covering a floor area of 70,000 square meters with 25,000 square meters of plant area and annually producing 5,400 sets of utility-type units, mainly including air-cooled chiller, water-cooled chiller, air-cooled heat pump, water ground source heat pump, household central air conditioner and air side units, of which water ground source heat pump, large-scale air-cooled chiller, heat recovery application and free energy release applied in data center solution, ranked first domestically and abroad. Klimaveneta Shanghai factory adopts Italian management experience and technician and gathers domestic first-rate management and marketing personnel. It is established more than 40 offices integrated with technology, marketing and service by excellent technology, advanced production, processing and testing equipment, and mature and improved management experience to supply complete program, high-quality products, and superior service for Chinese customers. Klimaveneta Shanghai factory possesses advanced processing equipment and production lines to guarantee production advantage. To strictly control the product quality, tens of million yuan has been invested to establish the International Advanced Testing Room to test every product in various crucial conditions, so the products can meet the international standard in Italy, Germany, Britain, Spain, Australia, Russia, and China. With the continuous introduction and implementation of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and SAPERP Advanced Management System, all products can be networked with computer supervision control system, bring adequate motive power to improve our fast development and customer satisfaction. Let shopping be natural enjoyment. Bring tourists from journey to home. Cure patients faster and better with medical institution. Provide most comfortable environment for you. Gain good feeling in every trip. Green, energy saving, sustainable comfort, and create greater environment value for customers. This is the permanent value and concept of Klimaveneta. In future, Klimaveneta will be always engaged in the R&D, production, and application of energy-saving and environmentally friendly central air conditioning equipment and solution to provide more high-quality products and perfect service for customers.